see what we got. Lady. Yeah. Perfect. Detail. Okay, we got fuse box. I know y'all know. Yeah, let's see what we got over here. We got the NOS setup. Yes, sir. Then we got the NOS loop system. Show you how that works. We'll cut it on a little bit. I got a nozzle right here. We can block it. And this is for the engine. So if we want NOS at the engine, we'll keep it like that. If not, we'll close it. But right now, we got the NOS line going straight to the carburetor. We don't want that right now. So we got this one open for the purge system. If I don't want to purge, I can close it and open it to that, or close them both. You know? Now we got the dashboard. We power it on. As you see, this is the NOS switch. It ain't going because you gotta click the NOS button. Let's see. Whew. That's the purge. That's the purge little thing right there. Yep, and then if we want lights, we got light. Turn it off, NOS off, whole system off.